a man of God, came all the way to host a crusade. We want to arrest him, we want to detain him, so that he won't be available for the people that came out to worship God with him. He went on to print a false banner that the crusade is no longer holding, to stop people from coming. And as a member, actually a member, see, sometimes when I think about how stupid they buy it, like on our Bakamisi, if care is not taken, that same God you think that we are fighting for in disguise will buy you, because it's obvious you are just doing all those things out of your own stupidity, envy, and jealousy. First thing first, I want to say congratulations to Zion Ministry for the new site they purchased in Enugu State, and also congratulations to them on this concluded crusade, because it was a success for me. Thing is that a lot of things fought this concluded crusade. A lot of people, a lot of gagok, they did everything to see that the Zion Ministry didn't hold this crusade. But guess what? God don't reason like us. I used to tell people that God is not stupid. Most of this time, some people will be out there trying to, they are fighting for God. The church said this, the church didn't say that, this and that. I'll be laughing at them, because sometimes even the God you are trying to fight for, he sees you as a stupid person. Because no one fights for God, God fights for himself. I don't see any reason why somebody somewhere should go and lock up a stadium where they want to go in and worship the same God you are fighting for. This is not making any sense to me. You claim that you are fighting for God with your whatever reasons, and you try to stop people from going in to worship the same God. You know, one thing these people fail to understand is that Zion Ministry and the Buka are carrying. I keep saying all these things. The fact you guys realize and understand how these things works, the better for everybody. There is no way anybody or anyone can stop the movement of Zion Ministry and the Buka. Or they're not possible. Zion Ministry, Evangelist Buka are like sun, a rising sun. No matter what you try, no matter what you try to do to quench it, to stop it from shining, it will never happen. On the other hand, I also tell people that Evangelist Buka Zion Ministry, they can oti totoro na hapamu, of which an ejiwayo apewea, an ejiwayo taking care of it. Because if care is not taken, this is what some of these people fail to understand. The crusade they have been announcing for weeks now. They paid for stadium, you guys accepted the money. And at that particular day of the event, you locked the stadium off your phone just to frustrate the man of God and the minister. Maybe on your own end, people that are involved, thinking that they are fighting for God, they are trying to stop this person for doing it. It's just that I'm trying to watch my words on this video. If not, I will not call the missing everywhere again. You guys know me. You guys know me. You guys know how it works with both of us. I've been following up. I've been watching everything. Yes, I'm not that active like I used to be, but it still brings out my time to follow up all these things that are going on, coupled with the calls I'm receiving regarding this whole thing. Because I always try to know what is going on, what is happening. A man of God came all the way to host a crusade. You want to arrest him, you want to detain him, so that he won't be available for the people that came out to worship God with him. You went on to print a false banner that the crusade is no longer holding, to stop people from coming. And as a member, actually a member, See, sometimes when I think about how stupid they buy it, like on our Wakamisi, you see our people, some of our people, not all, start to be corrected. You see some of our people, especially in their name, they are very stupid in reasoning. You can't tell an adult what to do. Even those people you are trying to stop to attend that event, they have the right to go there. They have the right to worship with whoever they want to worship. You can't stop them. It's not possible. So sometimes all this effort most of you are putting are waste of time, waste of energy. And if care is not taken, you see that God you claim that you are fighting for, you are trying to protect interests or whatever, will consume you. If care is not taken, those of you that are saying church is the same car, okay, the same car, I talk Kunu Jeba, I talk Bible, GC, Asem Bible, doctor in GC, in cash. If care is not taken, that same God you think that you are fighting for in disguise will buy you. Because it's obvious you are just doing all those things out of your own stupidity, envy, and jealousy. So as far as I'm concerned, God is one. And everyone have their right to worship wherever they want to worship. They have the right to see whoever they want to see, to go wherever they want to go. As far as Christianity is concerned, I don't want to talk about much about Enugu State Governor. I'm somehow disappointed, but according to update, they said he wasn't aware. I'm still watching it because there's no way you tell me that a force like if the same way Zion Ministry is coming to your state and you say you are not aware of it. You should be there. Your presence should be there. You should send representative. Let's say you are not available. So sometimes I don't even buy the idea of that excuse from the governor's side. Or they have this one. In charge, make sure that direct order. When I say trying to make direct order, I want to go Jeba, but to give order, to make sure that they make these people to be comfortable, provide maximum security, make sure that set of the rules you say there. I'm not Iworiatina Akofu Agafu and somebody somewhere an happy button for crusade not to go. What happened at last? Last, you guys see people that trooped in. You guys see how the event went. People were healed. A lot of testimony. That is to show you that God is not stupid. You don't fight for God. If you want because you don't fight for God. Instead, God should be the one fighting for you and not you trying to fight for God. But because of the envy, the personal interest, and whatever, they push some of these people. It's very shameful thing. Those people you are trying to stop from going there and do their thing, are they going there to worship Amadioha? Are they going there to worship Arabunego? Is that same God, that same belief you had? That is what they are going there for. And you are trying to stop it. You are trying to stop people from going to worship God. Meanwhile, you yourself want people to also worship God. You are trying to stop a particular people. That's why I told you guys that are doing all this rubbish. If care is not taken, you see this God you think that you are fighting for, you are trying to do this, that God will consume you. That God will mess you up. Because, man, it's crazy. I mean, it doesn't make sense to me. A priest that encourages people to come to church and worship God, repent, turn to born again, are trying to stop where people want to go into to worship the same God. Is the God different? I ask again. Do we have different type of God? They are trying to stop people from going in to worship their God and do their thing because of your nonsensical reasons. Chineke ga-abụ unu ọnụ. You know yourselves. Ka anyị kapụsi ebe a. Rubbish.